Welcome, welcome. It's Daniela again with a brand new layout created with our August kits. I used the papers and the embellishments, and I also took a look at the cardstock. But in the end, yeah, it didn't go on my page. Well, I wanted to have a monochromatic layout this time because I'm working with a picture taken at the pool side. So my very first step was to create a nice blue background, and I just wanted to add blue color, shiny color. So I am working with Lindy's Stamp Gang powders again, and I just have one big stain here on the left hand side. And yeah, I also wanted to have a few more splashes or spots that look like water splashes. So I added some lighter color splashes here and there with the foil. And yeah, that is what I did first. Then I cut off the edges of my cardstock. So I cut 1 centimeter on each side, and this way I can have a paper frame for my layout. So I want to place the white cardstock on the beautiful blue pattern paper. Here it looks like water, so it goes together perfectly with my picture. And yeah, the picture is placed next to the color stain. And yeah, I also wanted to have a little bit of paper on my page, so I ripped apart yeah, one of the papers here. So now I can start to embellish everything, and I'm going for all the blue embellishments that I can find in my kit. I'm flipping through the tags and also the ephemera and the chipboard pieces. So life is better by the pool definitely works here really well. And I also wanted to have the clouds. And by the way, this is the only other color that I have on this page. I have the orange sun. So this is the only other color, and it matches the nature color of the paper I've chosen to put behind the picture. So all the rest is in blue, and we have different blues here. We have like turquoise, we have yeah another light blue here in the clouds, and also yeah, aqua like blues in the sentiments. And yeah, I also chose a few frames here again, and I want to have this sun umbrella and the post sign leading to the pool. And I love those waves or splashes that we have in the ephemera pack, so I add those as well. Now I adhered everything to the cardstock. You see that now I can just add a few details. And yeah, I wanted to have some of those puffy stickers again. And here as well, I'm looking for all the blue ones. And I also want to use those alphabet stickers, and yeah, see what else I can add when after creating the title, so then I can decide where there is some space left to take some embellishments. And the title is quite a long one. It's a favorite routine, so I want to have it in 2 lines. First of all, I spelled the word favorite, and then I added routine, and this way I have Yeah, a nice balanced page because the left hand side is quite heavy with all the embellishments and the picture, and now the title goes underneath the picture. And I think that this is the perfect place here to have the title because yeah, it also functions like a little bit of embellishment, and yeah, it is a nice balance to all the embellishments on the left hand side. Okay, so this is the title. Then afterwards, I also added a little seashell. You can't see it here, but I found a few more little stickers that I wanted to add. Here now I'm just writing my handwritten journaling, and then in the end, I also wanted to take a look at my sticker sheet, and finally, I added one of those, which is not here in the video because I found one circle sticker. You can see it here next to the flip-flops. And I also added just a few shiny enamel dots in orange because this takes up the color of the sun and the pool sign. Well, that is my page. I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching again. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.